In this video, we delve into the practical application of Ansible for automating file extension validation. This technique is essential for maintaining data integrity and security across different environments by ensuring that files conform to specific formats. This example playbook is designed to validate file extension to ensure that each file ends with a specific format, CSV or TXT. First of all, let's name our play and start with host all, which means all the hosts in our inventory. Variable. The myDict variable is a list of dictionaries, each representing a file with a file name key. This structure is flexible and can be expanded to include more file or metadata as needed. This is an example with three file data1.csv, report.txt, and summary.json. On the task list, this is the heart of our Ansible playbook. First of all, let's check file extension. This task utilizes the assert module, which checks conditional and fails if the conditional not met. The conditional here ensures that each file name matches the regular expression pattern. Search for everything that matches CSV or TXT, and this should be like the ending of a file, confirming that it ends with .csv or .txt. You can customize with all the extensions that you need. And now we are going to print it out a message if we are matching this is invalid, and we are doing the same thing for matching if is valid. This is just a simple user interaction. So fail_message parameter that specify our message, and success_message is something that we're gonna display if the regular expression is actually matched. So valid file extension, and let me specify the item name. Great. Loop. The playbook iterates over each file name extracted from my_dict, applying the validation condition to each. And loop control. The label control improves the readability of loop output by customizing how looped items are displayed. Feel free to customize the playbook with more extension or with your favorite messages, but this is the nutshell. The Ansible.builtin.assert module in Ansible is used to verify that specified conditions are true, providing custom success and failure messages to enhance playbook clarity and debugging. The Ansible.builtin.match in Ansible check if a string matches a specific regular expression from the beginning using Python's match function to ensure anchoring at the start. This playbook offers a basic yet powerful example of how Ansible can automate the validation of file extension, enhancing your workflow reliability and compliance. Customize, for example, extending file type coverage, modify the regex to include additional file type as needed, such as PDF or docx, dynamic list the file, for example, instead of using a dictionary, and enhance the error handling. Incorporating more complex error handling logic will be beneficial. You can also add some notification, but for now, let's keep it simple. Welcome to my terminal. First of all, I can execute my playbook using Ansible-playbook command. Let me specify an inventory file with -i. In my case, this is target only localhost. It's super simple, just add localhost in this text file and then specify the file name. In my case, is this YAML file that we already see. The execution is super fast, and when executed, the playbook performs the following step. First, it gathers some fact, collecting the system fact from localhost. This is not important, but second, it is gonna check file extension, validate each file's extension. If a file does not meet the criteria, the playbook fails for that file, indicating which file has an invalid extension. It is also marked in red in this output. In this output, the playbook successfully validated data1.csv and report.txt. It failed for summary.json because its extension does not meet the specified condition. In conclusion, automating file validation with Ansible not only streamlines the process of maintaining file standards across systems, but also enhances security by ensuring that only files with the correct format are processed or moved forward in workflows. By adapting the playbook provided, organizations can enforce data quality and integrity standards efficiently, reducing manual oversight and the potential of error. Stay tuned for more videos like this.